one of the biggest reasons people still hesitate to switch to foldable phones is the crease. When it's too noticeable, it not only affects how the screen looks, but also how it feels to use. It can make the display seem less premium and even raise concerns about durability, like whether the screen might be fragile or prone to damage over time. OPPO has clearly been focused on solving this issue for years. Starting with the first generation OPPO Find N, they introduced a carefully engineered tapered hinge that already made a noticeable difference in reducing the crease. Then with the Find N2, they added carbon fiber supports to lift the inner display after unfolding, which helped flatten the screen even more. Later on, models like the Find N3 and Find N5 pushed things further by using aerospace-grade steel and 3D printed titanium alloy, improving hinge strength while continuing to minimize the crease. But the big question has always been whether it's actually possible to get rid of the crease entirely. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. With the OPPO Find N6, it finally feels like they've come extremely close. When you unfold the device, especially in narrower viewing situations, the crease is almost impossible to spot. The display looks like one continuous surface, and more importantly, it feels completely smooth to the touch. There's no noticeable dip at all. Even after hundreds of thousands of folds, official testing shows the screen holds up impressively well. So how did OPPO manage to pull this off? First, the Find N6 uses a dome-shaped hinge built with 3D printed titanium alloy, which strikes a balance between being lightweight and incredibly strong. This also makes the opening and closing action feel more refined and solid. More importantly, the inner display features dome-shaped memory glass that actively rebounds after unfolding. This helps the crease fade away over time until it's barely visible. Of course, reducing the crease is only part of the story. Reliability is just as important, and the Find N6 delivers here too. It comes with IP56, IP58, and IP59 ratings for water resistance, and it can operate normally even in extreme cold, down to minus 20 degrees Celsius. The inner screen has also been made more resistant to punctures, so accidental contact with something like a key is far less likely to leave a mark. The overall build quality feels premium as well, with almost no visible gaps when the phone is folded shut. Despite all these improvements, the Find N6 still manages to stay slim and lightweight. It measures just 8.93 millimeters when folded and only 4.21 millimeters when opened, while weighing around 225 grams, which is actually a bit lighter than the previous generation. At the same time, it packs a large 6,000 mAh battery, delivering even better endurance than the Find N5. Charging is just as impressive, with 80 watts wired and 50 watts wireless support, so topping up the battery is quick and convenient. The display itself is also a major highlight. The inner screen can reach up to 1800 nits of peak brightness, making it much easier to see outdoors, while also dropping as low as 1 nit for comfortable viewing in darker environments without straining your eyes. When it comes to performance, the Find N6 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, ensuring top-tier speed and efficiency. With all these upgrades combined, it's clear that OPPO has taken a significant step forward in refining the foldable experience. This time around, the software experience also gets a meaningful upgrade with some really interesting new features. One of the highlights is the Panorama Free Window function, which essentially gives you a floating window that you can move around and resize freely on a panoramic virtual screen. The controls are actually very simple to remember, almost like a quick gesture shortcut. Just push or pull to adjust the size. When you shrink it down all the way, it turns into a compact mini window. And if you want to go back to full screen, a quick double tap does the job instantly. There's also a 3-split panoramic virtual screen that lets you run 3 apps side by side, which is great for multitasking. On top of that, you can switch layouts using a 4-finger gesture. For example, spreading 4 fingers takes you from the desktop multi-window mode into the panoramic virtual screen, while pinching 4 fingers brings you back. Once you get used to it, the whole system feels very smooth and intuitive to use. Photography has also seen a noticeable upgrade in this generation. The main camera now features a 200 megapixel sensor with a 1.56-inch size and a bright f1.8 aperture, delivering strong detail and performance. There's also a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom that even supports macro shots as close as 10 centimeters. Alongside that, you get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and this time OPPO has added a dedicated color reproduction lens, which helps produce highly accurate colors straight out of the camera. With this kind of hardware setup, it's honestly hard to point out any real weaknesses in the imaging department. On the software side, you also get a bunch of powerful and practical features like full focal length 8K Ultra HD photography, 4K live video recording, X Pen mode, and Hasselblad Master mode. All of these are designed to be easy to use while still giving you plenty of creative control. Beyond just the hardware, the system itself has improved quite a lot, especially when it comes to AI features. OPPO's AI tools are now among the more complete and user-friendly options you'll find on smartphones, making everyday tasks simpler and more efficient. Looking back, OPPO started with the compact Find N back in 2021, and now with the fully refined and lightweight foldable flagship Find N6 in 2026, they've managed to tackle the biggest issue with foldables, the crease, in just 5 years. At the same time, they've made huge progress in overall durability and reliability. With flagship-level performance, polished software, and a refined foldable design, the Find N6 truly feels like a phone you can rely on as your main device. It's no longer just a cool piece of tech, it's something you can comfortably use every day. After spending some time with it, I've genuinely grown to like it a lot. It feels like we're getting closer to a point where more people will start embracing foldable phones, and once you do, it's hard to go back. If you're thinking about getting a foldable, this is definitely one worth considering, especially because it nails both the hardware and the software experience.